We all love this term, mompreneur. It sounds powerful, it sounds sorted, it sounds like she's managing it all. But actually, what does it look like on a random Monday or Tuesday when your client is waiting at the office or on Zoom, and at the same time, your child is waiting for you in the audience at school? While replying to emails, you are simultaneously replying to your child's mama screams. We are not here to glorify all this juggle. We are here to talk about what actually happens when entrepreneurship and motherhood live in the same body. Today, we are joined by these four amazing, super inspirational women. Four women, four journeys, and one circle. The circle of resilience, purpose, and power. This is the Mompreneur Edition. Meet Nikita Shah, director at Shivalik Group, co-founder of Shivalik Furniture, Lofe India, and owner of Stanley Ahmedabad, driving procurement and forward integration in the interior space, building not just businesses but entire value chains while being a mother of an 18-year-old and redefining what leadership looks like. And we have Dr. Shaili Banker, a dermatologist and founder of Banker Skin Clinic, known for taking on complex skin and aesthetic cases with advanced technology and a result-driven approach. With over a decade of hands-on expertise, she runs a high-performance practice while navigating the demands of both medicine and motherhood as a mother to two children on her own terms. Meet Aditi Gupta, co-founder of Menstrupedia and TrueBuddy, the woman who turned a taboo into a nationwide conversation. From classrooms to global platforms, her work has reached millions, making puberty education accessible, relatable, and real, while being a mother to two children. And we have Amruta Shah, founder of Zookeeper, a design-led kids lifestyle brand born from a gap she experienced as a mother. With a background in design and education, she moved from teaching to building a D2C brand that focuses on thoughtful, functional, and well-designed essentials for modern childhood while being a mother to a 9-year-old kid. I'm really glad to have you all here, and thank you so much for saying yes to this conversation. And before we officially start this segment, I really need to ask one thing to all of you. आप रैंडमली आंसर कर सकते हो कोई भी. आपने ये कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए हाँ बोला एंड बिफोर यू केम टू दिस प्लेस किसने कोई एडजस्टमेंट किए, बच्चे को लेने जाना है, पिकअप है, या हेल्प को कुछ बोला, सपोर्ट को बोला कि भैया मैं नहीं हूँ, आप 2 घंटे देख लेना, टीम को ये बोल दिया? What all arrangements did you make before coming here?
I think for me it was all of the above.
Yeah.
I had to tell my team saying, okay, I'm not available for 2 hours. I had to tell negotiation I'm doing with somebody. I had to tell them, okay, 2 hours I'm not available to respond to you.
Yeah.
So let's talk after 2:30. Even with my help at home, I had to tell her, instruct her about when my son needs to be picked up, what the next class is, or so on and so forth. So yes, I think all of the above that you just mentioned.
I think the same feelings. You really need to plan your calendar to take this. But the subject was so beautiful when you asked that.
Yeah.
It was really touching my heart, and I really wanted to do it. So I felt, but with a lot of commitment and adjustment at the personal front and home front, and even with the commitment at work also, that I'm not going to be available in the first half to take this show.
But do you think हमारे partners को भी ये इतने सारे adjustment या management करना पड़ता है?
I don't think so, because they just have to reschedule the appointments. That's the only thing they do.
Right.
Yeah.
Like for me, I have changed the bus stop completely. My daughter's bus stop is somewhere near Navrangpura. So now I texted, I mailed the teachers and the transport team that please send it to this bus stop near to the venue. So that was the main thing.
Yeah.
I think
I did not have to make any arrangements.
Okay, that's wonderful.
All my work is heavily delegated. Like I have super competent people to take care of all the front. Me and my husband go to office together. I just have to prioritize this one over other. But other than that, I did not have to make any arrangements.
Do you think is it because you and your husband are in the same industry or same office?
Yeah. I also don't say yes to things easily.
I know that.
So when I'm doing something, I'm very particular about what I'm doing. But most of my responsibilities as a mother, as a parent, and maybe as a homemaker also is delegated between 10 to 6. I make a card for my child every day when so he comes to school and then he gets a card. So that card I had to make very quickly, but I put in some little effort to make
Yeah.
that is something that happened, but I had to just prioritize this only for her.
Wonderful. Do you really think that mompreneur term वो ज़्यादा अभी glamorized हो गया है? Or when I say this term mompreneur, what is that one thing that comes to your mind?
I think
Yeah.
it makes me better at what. The reason my business exists is because after I became a mom. So I realized the gap in the market when I became a mom, because I realized that you don't get products like this
Yeah.
in India for young parents. So I think my business exists because I became a mom.
Yeah.
I think it makes me a better entrepreneur for sure, because it also, I'm so close to like my target audience. I'm talking to these mothers every single day on the different channels of communication, be it WhatsApp groups. I also have my customers so close to me that they're so accessible, saying I can even drop a message to you saying, hey, what do you think, would Anhad like this?
Oh, wow.
And things like that. So
Yeah.
we constantly take feedback from consumers and from our mothers, other target mothers. So I feel like it makes me a better entrepreneur. I don't think I would have done this and done it in this way, and I think that's one of my biggest moats in my business, is I'm very close to the consumer I'm selling to. So I feel like it makes me a better entrepreneur.
So motherhood is playing an important role in your
100%.
entrepreneurship.
100%. Yeah.
Wonderful. Yeah.
We think at the office fields also, we think more emotionally, and we try to figure it out in between of lines in certain discussions. Those all are like qualities of motherhood. After being mother, I have realized myself to not only see numbers, deadlines or sales target, to see beyond that.
Yeah.
So I think, yeah, definitely that has changed my perception.
So I'm sure like the way we talk to our team, our staff, like that also, impacted by this motherhood journey, I'm sure.
I think mompreneur is definitely a category for us. And anything that is working for you, women should take it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
even if sometimes ideally you should not. We shouldn't have that many categories ideally. But मुझे लगता है अगर ये category मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है, जैसे कि patriarchy exist करती है, पर मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है, then I totally take it. जैसे कि अगर ऑफिस में कोई आए चंदा मांगे ना, मैं तो बॉस नहीं हूँ, कोई मेरे लिए पास चले जाओ, ठीक है. So it works for me. But after becoming a mother, definitely, I mean, we started TrueBuddy comic books, and we started making comic books to teach kids about life lessons and everything that I wanted to teach my child about. It only started after becoming a parent. So the whole thing shifted. Being a mother also makes you very particular about your time.
True.
And I put a very high price to my time. Because after motherhood you realize, okay, after becoming a parent you are working 24/7.
True
There is
that,
no
yeah.
me time for yourself. And if you want to do something, it better be for your for the good of your business, or it better be good for you. So all of these things actually makes you a better person in terms of discipline, more disciplined, saying no to a lot of relationships that are not working, a lot of friendships that are not working for you.
Yeah.
Mentally socialized.
And obligation में तुम काम नहीं करते हो. You also, you don't want to prove to others that you are a good person or a good girl. वो good girl वाले जो mold से हम निकल
चुके हैं.
So
True that.
I realized कि good girls go to heaven, bad girls go to hell. So I think after motherhood you realize कि हाँ ठीक है, I don't want to be perceived in a certain way. This is who I am, and this is what I'm going to do with my time and my life and with my family, and that is so liberating. It reflects in everything that you do.
True. Yeah.
I guess the word balance is very high because
True that.
I have many people asking me, how do you balance your work and kids? To be honest, I'm not balancing because sometimes I'm a good mother and sometimes I'm a good doormat. So it gives you a pressure that when people ask you how do you balance, then that gives a pressure that you need to balance, but that is not possible.
True.
I guess it's more of mental multitasking than a physical hustle, because you have to keep that in mind constantly. What's your child's schedule and everything? You push them to the classes and everything. So that's the thing about.
I totally agree with your balance. I think balance is so overrated. I think we have to talk more about harmony. Till the time it is helping you to become a very good professional and you really enjoy the day, and say to your child, आज 15 मिनट है मेरे पास. ठीक है, आपके लिए या family के लिए मेरे पास आधे घंटे, and I'm fine with that. Yes, some days when your family really needs, you can go to your office and say कि यार आज आधा दिन तो मैं available नहीं हूँ, and I'm not feeling guilty about it. So I think harmony is something that should be promoted more as to कैसे balance.
So it's more like an integration of
True.
like both the lives of ours, right?
Yeah.
You were saying
So
something.
I think my mantra at such situations is like one time at a step, one step at a time kind of thing, because too many things are going behind our mind, and we have to be exist in certain role and certain place, that I think I just keep myself calm with that okay, today is this what I'm going to finish it, let everything else can just wait.
And I also think that choosing the right partner. I think that
Yes.
like change.
Life changing.
Yeah, life changing, that
Yeah.
support
I feel
system.
Like, कि आज मैं नहीं हूँ, तू pick up कर ले.
हाँ,
Like
of
my
course.
husband will actually leave work early to pick up
Yeah.
my son.
Of
if I have
course,
to.
yeah.
Like school में if I'm traveling and कुछ है कोई
I
parent
agree.
meeting है, तो my husband shows up
Yeah,
at
yeah.
every sort of step of the way. So we are actually equal partners in
agree.
parenting.
True.
Yeah.
So I don't want to take that away from him also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
sure.
So
But that is true.
I think that is so
That is
true,
real
and I think we all connect with that, because I mean, even when I'm traveling for my work or anything, I know that my husband is there for my son, and if anything is there, he's there. So I think that's a very big support system.
So that was my next question.
We have
That
divided days for
Days,
pick up
exactly,
and drop.
yeah.
Oh, wow. Tell
Two
us more.
days he will go and pick up my daughter. 3 days I will go. So
Okay,
that is how we
good.
have divided, because we both are working and both are
agreed.
busy.
Yeah, and I think
schedules,
somehow they also appreciate our work, so that's also very
yeah,
important.
true.
Yeah.
So family support is very critical.
important. Yeah, true.
True. So did motherhood make you more ambitious or cautious?
I think it made me more ambitious. I was always ambitious, but I think it kind of elevated it also because I feel like he's always watching me. He's watching how driven I am, how hard I work, how I'm chasing after my goals, how much when things don't go right, I'm still going, waking up the next day and going, and he's watching all of that.
Yeah.
For him to kind of treat his future partner, and also for him to have that drive within him. So I think that for me is, so every time I think that I've had a hard day and should I give it up, like should I do this, I always feel like he's watching me.
True that.
So I feel like that drives me more and kind of makes me more ambitious.
I think for me, I think motherhood was the lowest low. I'll tell you. I had 2 C-section, and after the first C-section, I'm like, भाई ये क्या ही हो गया है भाई ये तो it's a very painful journey. So I think what motherhood did to me is showed me my lowest low, and because I went through all that thing.
Oh yes.
It also made me realize that कि अब ये हो सकता है तो फिर तो कुछ भी कर सकती हो यार.
Very true.
And it is definitely, I mean, it is so powerful to wake up every day and say that I have to show up for myself because my child is watching me.
Yeah.
I think I totally agree with Amrita that way. But your ambition is fueled more. But I think in the motherhood journey, I think it is very common to hit your lowest low. I mean, you are crying for no reason. Your hormones are all over the place, and then you really have to rebuild yourself together for the first 3-4 years. और उसके बाद जो औरत निकल के आती है भाई वो बहुत unbeatable and बहुत rock solid होती है. So I think it's also like a journey of the phoenix where you're born with your own ashes all. And I know कि ये चीज whatever privilege you come from, whatever background, socio-economic background you come from, this journey we have to take, and that kind of really rebuilds us and then tells us कि अब हम ये सब कर सकते हैं, and you have gone through all these things. So
ये कर लिया तो अब तो कुछ भी
अब
कर
तो
लेंगे.
कुछ भी कर लेंगे. So ambition तो definitely बढ़ जाता है कि ठीक है भाई अब तो पूरे दुनिया को हम so yeah, that definitely happens. That does not mean that who doesn't want to become mother, I am reselling motherhood or selling motherhood. That is your choice. But still, I think for at least for me to make me the person that I am, I think that journey was very pivotal for person like me.
I guess for me it was both. I was more ambitious and I'm more cautious also, because ambitious, as she said, that your kids are watching you, so they should know how hard we are working for them and for myself. But cautious about time, health, maybe, because we have very less time for ourselves. So
True.
I guess that way I'm both more cautious also.
Yeah.
I think same feelings I'm also sharing what they share, that you have to be clear what you also want, because your child is watching you, and you are the live example, set example for them.
True.
So I think the same thing. आप जाओगे तो ही देखेगा कि how dedication they have to be in future for their commitments.
True. Do you think society romanticizes this super mom entrepreneur thing? I mean, क्या होता है ये superhuman, super mom, like super dad?
They're like
I
unicorns
don't
and
understand.
exist.
Yeah. कहाँ से like we know कि हम लोग ये अगर super mom का किसी को अगर लेबल भी मिलता है तो हमें पता है कि उसकी बैक स्टोरी क्या है.
True.
Right? People come to me and ask, you are doing this, you were in journalism, you have done this and you are बच्चे के लिए इतना टाइम निकाल रहे हो कैसे. बट मुझे पता है कि ठीक है, हर 15 दिन, एक महीने में एक दिन ऐसा होता है कि मैं सबको बोलती हूँ तो प्लीज डोंट टॉक टू मी. आई जस्ट वांट दैट टाइम टू माई सेल्फ. सो व्हाट्स योर आइडिया अबाउट दैट सोसाइटीज प्रेशर और मे बी एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम मॉमप्रेन्योर्स दैट ये सुपर मॉम वाला बिहेवियर?
I think कहीं ना कहीं all mothers are preparing for some awards that nobody is giving.
Yeah, nobody. Very
best
true.
mother award, best party giver award, best tiffin maker award. I don't know. I mean, there are endless awards that are there. Somehow I feel कि mothers themselves, like, okay, this is also true that South Asian mothers, especially in this region, हम अपने आप को बहुत जज करते हैं because of all the expectation जो कि generation से चलता आ रहा है. अमेरिकन मॉम से आप मिलोगे ना, उनका कोई सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं होता है. उनका घर गंदा होता है, वो अपने बच्चों को एक बार में टिफिन बना के दे दिया है, एक हफ्ते का टिफिन एक दिन में बना दिया,
संडे बना लेंगे.
कोई किसी को नहीं बोल रहा है. nobody is competing कि तुम कितना फ्रेश टिफिन दे रहे हो.
True that.
So I think अगर ये अवेयरनेस, अगर हमारे अंदर ये अवेयरनेस है तो even if you are fighting for some awards on some days you can say कि नहीं चाहिए मेरे को आज के.
Yeah, true that.
And I think so I read this book called Dare to Lead by Brené Brown, and she talks about vulnerabilities.
Yeah.
And we are all burdened by so any leadership book you read ना, most of them are written by men. Men को मालूम ही नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है. मतलब कि तुम अभी मीटिंग में जा रहे हो और तुमने सडनली देख लिया कि तुम्हारे बच्चे के बाल में जू है. ये प्रॉब्लम किसी मेल लीडर को कभी नहीं आएगी. ठीक है, ये तुमको आएगी. तुमको चेक करना है कि अच्छा परमेथ्रिन लगाना है, कौन सा शैम्पू लगाना है, कौन से अपने फ्रेंड को.
And then this mom guilt, मैंने ही कुछ कमी रखी होगी जिसके उसके.
So I think कि vulnerabilities are our superpower. So even if there are days when I like gather all my energy to show up for my son and my daughter, but there are days when I cry in front of them and I say, Mama is unable to take care of you because I'm not able to handle my emotions. And to fail gracefully, I think even that's important.
Beautiful.
And that is important to say to even your team. Like my team has seen me crying, and crying हमेशा लोगों को लगता है कि crying is a sign of weakness. I think crying is a sign of communication. You try to communicate. I cry anytime. Happy हूँ मैं रो रही हूँ, मेरे पीरियड्स आए रो रही हूँ, टाइम पे आके रो रही हूँ, लेट आए रो रही हूँ, अभी कुछ पहले मेरे पास फेस चल रहा है, पता ही नहीं चल रहा है क्या चल रहा है. So I think and your team should also see that. My team definitely sees me putting up a fight every day, but then there are days when I can't put up the fight and I'm saying I can't do that. I try to take a nap, and I think accepting the vulnerabilities have really made me at least a good, a better. No, I enjoy being that leader who can accept her vulnerabilities and say, okay, this is how today I'm not going to be like 100% of me as the co-founder or me as a mother. आप कर लो. और बहुत बार डांट भी देती हूँ. I mean, there are child care को बहुत डांट दिया क्योंकि मैंने अपना इमोशन फिर बाद में जाके उनको चॉकलेट रहेगी भाई क्योंकि तुम्हारी वजह से मैं नहीं कर पा रही. So I think ये सारी चीजें and not feeling guilty about it. I think, but we have to really do a lot of unlearning to learn this also.
True that.
It takes a lot of time.
And I think that as women is also our superpower, right? To be able to say sorry.
Very
say that.
That is
so
true.
That is true. I have apologized to my team members. I have apologized saying sorry. Yesterday I lashed out on you because I've taken it out on something else. So I think that is also our superpower. So I think I can totally own it, saying that yes, I'm vulnerable, but yes, that
This
like
is
that.
how I am.
That makes you
Sorry is a
better.
magic word.
Yeah.
It is a magic word.
Magic
I
word.
can
I say sorry to my kids.
Kids also same
Because
because
I tell them anything and then next time I say sorry. Sorry for doing this and so.
And I think sometimes they also teach us that okay, Mama, you could have dealt in this way. You know, it would have been more better.
Next time she started telling me sorry. So whenever she throws any tantrum, she will tell me sorry.
Me too.
Because they are watching us. Right?
I think that makes the relation more comfortable, as well, right?
So my girl have started doing this. So she's only 3.5, and every time she sees कि ये इसका temper हो रहा है, Mama, I love you. She goes, I don't know कि how this is going to turn, but then she's like, Mama, don't you forget that I love love. Yeah. No, I'm all right.
So you always feel good when you're rewarded by your kids.
Yeah, I think
Society,
exactly. I think no tags are really important for us now.
Society, I'm above that.
Above
I don't
that,
want
right.
That tag, but if your kids tell
Yeah.
to you that mom, you are great.
Great,
You were
exactly.
great today. I love that you were with
Yeah.
me the whole day. So that is
Yeah.
a real award.
And I think we look forward to have that
Yeah.
applause from them
True.
actually.
Yeah.
So with that, I remember one thing today morning only, like मैंने एक क्वेश्चन ये रेडी किया था आप सबके लिए कि मैं पूछूंगी आप सबसे कि अगर इफ योर किड इज गूगलिंग अबाउट यू कि अदिति गुप्ता, डॉक्टर शैली बैंकर, आप सबका नाम डाला, तो क्या वो एक चीज़ है जो गूगल पे सर्च रिजल्ट में आया एंड दैट यू वुड लव? तो आई डिड द सेम. I asked Anhad today that agar if you search Khushbu Majithia, what would you want to see as a result? And he just said best mom of this planet. And I was in tears. I never expected that he would answer like this.
True.
So I think जो बच्चों से appreciation या validation मिलता है, nothing beyond
Nothing
that.
beyond that.
Nothing.
Most important.
Those are the best trophies, I suppose.
Yeah,
I
for
work with a
sure.
lot of puberty kids just putting
Yeah.
it there कि अगर puberty के phase में बच्चा है तो बहुत expectation मत करना क्योंकि वो बहुत changes
I know.
Yeah.
और अगर if the kid is feeling safe to express their feeling, जैसे कि example
Yeah.
बच्चा उल्टा जवाब पापा को नहीं देगा आपको बहुत
True that.
हाँ.
Yeah.
so that is also a sign कि एक तो वो disrespect maybe but also a sign कि they feel safe in confiding in you and expressing their emotions. So I think it's really great कि 10 I mean you are the one who have raised a
Yeah.
child in puberty. Puberty वाला थोड़ा सा time tricky
Tricky है ना?
It is,
Tricky
but
होता है।
yeah.
उस समय थोड़ा सा I think बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि the kids themselves are going through so many changes
Yeah.
कि they might probably not be the same as what they were at 8 and
True.
9.
So for me, I feel like my son is very much part of my journey. So like why I started, and so then every time there's a problem at work, I would come back and say, you know what, this is so and so has happened.
Yeah.
So I feel like he almost feels ownership towards the business as much as I do. Not as much as I do, but he feels like okay, this is his baby as much as mine.
Yeah.
So for example, the name Zookeeper is inspired from him because he
Yeah.
was obsessed with animals. He is obsessed with animals in the natural world. So in all my like press coverings and all our kind of releases, we say that okay, this is inspired from the OG keeper. And I think he feels very much like part of the
this journey. Yeah.
and I think that really helps him sort of participate and understand
Understand.
the
Think
challenges as well.
Have you ever felt judged for working too much? Any judgment or any comment like that?
I have a very interesting story. So I live in a society where okay, no, I don't want to name the community.
Yeah,
But,
that's okay.
The women of the house will not many of them will go to work.
Yeah.
So I'm coming from, so I take my kids to the office, and in the office itself there is a place, there is a separate kind of a 1 BHK kind of a flat where just for the kids. So they play, sleep. It is our chottu sa mini home, but just close to just next to the office. So all of these things the women would not know, the neighbors
Yeah.
and all. So they will see me कि सुबह बैग टांग के गई है ड्राइवर के साथ, शाम में आ रही, and they'll say अच्छा बच्चे ऑफिस में ही जाते हैं, they are very much concerned about ग्रोथ कैसे हो रहा है. They are definitely पेपर काट रहे हैं बहुत पैशन के साथ, पंच कर रहे हैं बहुत पैशन के साथ, बुक्स पैक कर रहे हैं, ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. मतलब अनपेड इंटर्न तो है मेरा बड़ा बेटा. So and then they have their own schedule. They will go to they will go to the park and everything. I did not want to explain all this. She kept following me to the, सच में आप पूरे टाइम ऑफिस में रहते हो? सच में?
Yeah.
I was feeling bothered with her, but I did not. I mean, I could totally see where she's coming from in terms of.
Yeah.
She was trying to make me feel this thing, but I also tried to make her feel कि सच में आप काम नहीं करते हो, सच में पूरा दिन
You gave it back.
Yeah.
सच में
Sometimes
बहू को भी नौकरी छुड़वा के घर पे बिठा दिया है like that. So yeah, but I don't think so कि every time you have that presence of mind.
True.
आपका दिमाग कहीं और है और बहुत लोग कुछ और बोल रहे हैं. maybe धीरे धीरे you learn to deflect all these questions.
But does it bother? Like,
I actually have a very different.
Yeah, even I have a
experience
different
of that. I
for
feel
that.
like my extended family
Family.
or even friends circle, they're extremely proud of what I do.
Yeah,
doing.
sure.
In every social setting, they will always like, and even with my in-laws, I have to say that they will like show me off, saying,
Yeah.
"Beta to ye sab karta
Karta
hai,
hai,
but
yeah,
this
true.
my daughter
But
very
parents
true.
are also doing
I
it.
तो सरस काम
Correct.
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा काम करती
इसका
है।
case study छाप के सबको पढ़वाओ.
See, even I would like to add that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So even
Yeah.
when I started
Yeah.
my career with 25, and my father-in-law actually taught me how to be in business.
Yeah.
So I had a very different kind of support system. So I feel now today grateful that my process was very easy.
But see,
Yeah.
So if you look at the data,
Yeah.
women LFPR, women labor force participation
Right.
ratio, ये तो बहुत ही कम है इंडिया में. But other than that, the moment a woman becomes a mother, so data so we come from a certain family, and those
Yeah.
families should be ideal. But also we have to know that what are the privileges that we are coming.
Yeah.
True that. Yeah.
Yeah. So 75% of the women don't go back to the work.
Yeah.
Somehow as a society, हमने अपने women को मतलब बहुत अच्छे से समझा दिया है. Many of them are common friends to us. also. बहुत अच्छे से समझा दिया है कि if you want to have a successful family, you have to not work.
Yeah.
And I find it to be so.
Yeah.
I find it to be so unfortunate. I'll tell you why. Because the moment at which these women drop out from the workforce, they are really bringing a lot of money in the economy.
Yeah.
And
I agree.
when these women don't come to the workforce, that money
Money
is
is
not being churned in the economy. But other than that, if you are a woman, all of us, we
As
know
yeah.
that our care staff is all women.
Yeah.
When women are in the workforce,
Work,
they
yeah.
hire more women.
Women.
I
True that.
cannot- I cannot hire
I
the
agree.
child care who is a male or somebody.
Yeah.
कुक है, मतलब बहुत सारे मतलब 10-15 औरतों की ग्रुप है जो कि हमको अलग अलग लेवल पे सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Correct.
Yeah.
With not only child care, with also with let's say aging parents. and
Yeah.
all. So if we are in the economy, more money comes in, more jobs we create. But data suggests totally different. Data suggests that हमारा वर्कफोर्स में सबसे ज्यादा ड्रॉप ऑफ हो रहा है चाइल्ड बर्थ के टाइम पे,
Time
और
पे.
75% women are not coming back.
Coming back.
Yeah. So I have friends
Yeah.
who have, who are not working anymore after
Yeah.
kids, but luckily we have families who are
Yeah.
supporting us.
Yeah.
Even like she said,
Yeah.
my father-in-law was the main supporter, I can say.
True.
He motivated me
Yeah.
to start my own clinic and everything. So
I started doing it like when I found my company and my women are getting into maternity phase or anything. We are really supporting them.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
6 months they are at home, but we are making sure they are comfortable in that phase, and they are even in the next 3 months, our salaries and everything has been continued and taken care. And after that, we try to approach them and make them feel comfortable that this is also your home.
yeah.
Come at the workplaces, you know.
Flexible
And we have seen like a lot of women in the designing department have actually came back and bounced back in double energy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because when you as an entrepreneur have that feelings in you, when you have gone through that journey, it's very easy to make them comfortable.
Yeah.
I think a
Yeah.
great idea. I mean,
Yeah.
At least
So at least we
your
can bring
school-
our part of the change in the society.
At your scale, I think one great thing would be, I don't know if
Yeah.
you're doing, but a great thing would be to just create a child space.
Yeah,
I
of
saw
course.
this happening in Mahindra University. I see it happening in Eklavya
Exactly,
School.
yeah.
So एक बड़ा सा space उन्होंने
Right.
सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए रख दिया है. The kids
Yeah.
can play. They will have their didis. You can bring their
Yeah.
food for the child, and the child can play, sleep. मस्त बच्चे एकलव्य
Yeah.
school में all the employees are women employees, and क्या हाई क्लास टीचर है वहाँ पे. उनके सबके बच्चे स्कूल में बड़े होते
बड़े.
हैं. So
Yeah.
just like my company where my kids are growing up in
Yeah.
the company itself, in the office. So अगर और बहुत not many women will be, but
Yes.
women who are bringing their child would also be at a certain management level.
True.
भाई उतना drop off, like I'm making my second line of management, and we are trying to take the women to
Yes.
the management line. एंड अभी घर वाले शादी के लिए प्रेशर कर रहे हैं, अभी मेरी कंपनी उस तक नहीं पहुंची जहाँ पे कि मैं
Yeah, so I think when I started my company, there were hardly 5 or 7% in women in real estate. Right now, we have 40% of women in real estate, taking care of finance department, sales department. Every department have women.
or maybe
So I
just
think
plan
that's
a
amazing.
park.
Yeah,
That's me at your office,
Yeah,
ताकि
and
उनके
I-
बच्चे खेल
Yeah.
सकें थोड़ी देर के लिए.
Echo with what you're
What saying
and a
exactly.
lot of large
But I think that
corporates
change we
and
can only bring.
If I
Bring, yeah.
move to do that,
Yeah.
definitely do. I mean, take ahead the society. That is one
True.
thing. But economy will flourish. Your company.
I
will
agree,
flourish.
I
As an
agree.
example, like Google in the Bay Area.
True.
A lot of our family and friends who don't want to quit their Google job because
Yeah.
the best daycare in the Bay Area
is there, of course.
तो like job तो अच्छी है नहीं अच्छी, we're getting more money, but ये daycare नहीं मिलेगा हमको.
Yeah.
Yeah.
और लोगों को लगता है कि कॉस्ट इसका बहुत होगा, पर बहुत कम
Cost hai. I think that brings a lot of loyalty among your team. So they are so loyal to your company.
yeah.
And I think that talks
They
about
reciprocate the same thing.
Yeah. It's the same with period leaves. Okay, so if you give period leaves, abhi to it's very common. If you give period leave, you say कि I take care of your health. I really respect you as a woman. These women are not going, and the old employees become your asset. And I mean, I will kill for retaining everybody, man.
Yeah, even in my clinic, I have a small room. So
Yeah.
I call it as a family room. So my staff, she's a mother to a 5-year-old, and she doesn't have any nanny or anyone looking after him. So I tell her, you get him here. He can play in the family room. I put a slide and everything. So that motivates her. Even for patients who are mothers, so they get their kids. Kids can play in the back room and they get the treatment done. So that works
But
for
at the same time, I feel that we have that flexibility and privilege.
Yeah,
Because we are entrepreneurs, right?
Yeah.
But I know, coming from a media background, I know many women who are working 9 to 5 or in any corporate sector. Actually, वो लोग इतना सफर करते हैं after वो जब second inning उनका चालू होता है. So I think more and more companies should adapt to this thing. What do you think? What is the most unglamorous part of being a mompreneur? Superficial level पे या surface level पे everything is rosy, सब ठीक दिखता है, but as we all know,
I guess it's the mental health.
Yeah.
Because it's always about, it's here, it's not physical.
Yeah.
My husband once told me that, your job is very easy. Managing kids is easy. I told him that, do it for a day. He said, you have a driver, you have a nanny, 2 nannies for 2 kids, you have everything. How is it so difficult for you? So I told him, do it for a day because it all starts here. Because you have to brainstorm every schedule, every class. You have to inform driver, your nanny, what food they should eat, everything. So it is mainly mental health that nobody notices. That's the thing. Yeah.
see, many houses now have house managers, okay, but I don't have one. Okay, so I always tell this to people कि अगर किचन में चाय या चीनी खत्म हो गई है ना, भले हम लोग कितनी भी इक्वालिटी एंड मॉडर्न टाइम्स की बात कर ले, बट अगर चाय और चीनी खत्म हुई है ना, तो फिर वो मेरी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. फीमेल्स उनको ही बोलना है ब्लिंकिट करे या तो फिर ड्राइवर को भेजे, सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं हमारे पास, बट दैट
It's crazy. You're saying that I've sat with on tables like this with the woman on the other side is some investor, partner at a VC fund. Driver का phone है, मैडम आटा कैसे घुमाने का, and in the middle of that we're talking a few million here चक्की वाले को. And then he's like, अच्छा हाँ, और वो आते आते 5 किलो चावल भी लेके आ रहा है. And she's doing all of that by being on the same table with 4 other men who are saying हाँ ये मैडम का भी ड्राइवर का फोन है.
See, मैं किसी का भी इंटरव्यू ले रही हूँ, मैं कहीं पे भी बैठी हूँ, बट my cook comes, अगर उस टाइम पे मेरे हस्बैंड अगर घर पे है, फिर भी he would not ask him. जब उनको बोला हुआ है कि भैया आपको बोल देंगे, आप उनको पूछ लो, he would call me, Ben शू बनाना मुझे.
Oh my god. And then that 5 PM call every day.
कभी मेरे को लगता है भाई मेरे को ही चौका मार दे यार तू. इतना मनुष्य नहीं, it comes with a privilege, but इतना खराब कर मेरे को.
So no, in my case, my son is already 18. So now I've trained him. If mom is not around and I'm stuck somewhere in a meeting where I cannot pick the phone, beta, you can decide the dinner.
So
nowadays, he's also a big help in the support system.
I just want to say very shamelessly, I don't bother myself with कि जीरा खत्म हो गया या हल्दी खत्म हो गया. I don't care. मतलब कि मुझे पता भी नहीं है कि अगर हाँ तो there is a दीदी, she will take care of it and she is very capable, more capable than me. रात के 9 बजे तो मेरे को नहीं, but yeah, standing instruction है कि कुछ नहीं तो एक सब्जी बना दो, प्रोटीन होना चाहिए बहुत सारा, all of those things. But I know that I can do this because my family is very small. I think with large families more complications starts
we are
to
in a
happen.
nuclear setup. My husband is mostly traveling. So there is just like, you know, nanny and, you know, my son are at home. So it becomes very difficult for nuclear setup families. कि ये सब कैसे करें?
I have a question though. How do you resolve conflict?
Conflict for what?
Any business
internal
conflict, conflict on any subject. How do you resolve
So
it?
I think our work territories are very much divided. When I started my work from purchase department, I was leading purchase department in my. They were very clear about that. That decision will be taken by Nikita only. So you need to meet her only.
Yeah.
So they gave me that space to work. So that was somewhere. Where I felt very comfortable and I felt a lot of trust was passed on to me when you're working in family business. So I think that's how we resolve things.
I agree to her. I and my husband work in the same business, and it is always like we can give suggestions to each other.
Yeah, but your final call comes. Yeah, exactly.
This person, and I don't step.
Yes.
I am not going to overstep.
So even my sister-in-law is also working. So we all have our divided territories, and you know we always put our suggestions for growth and whatever is happening. But the final decision comes from the, department leadership, where the person is handling that department or that territory or that company. So we have multiple companies where each of the member has been taking care since years.
Yeah.
So that's how we leave things.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So Dr. Shaili, have you ever felt कि patients जो आपके पास आते हैं, since you are a mother, वो एक ज़्यादा trust factor लेके आते हैं या तो फिर less available doctor? वो कौन से approach के साथ आपके पास आता है?
I guess it's mostly more trustworthy thing because being a doctor and a mother, and 80% of my patients are mothers. So you know they come with a trust, and then when we talk, you know I can understand them better in form of emotional thing, the body change that they have undergone. So I guess that is more of trustworthy. Some people are there who feel that I'm more busy, and I am, but you know. Now even motherhood has changed my perspective also, so I'm being more intentional now with time and more focused on patients when I'm with them. So but I feel most of them are more trustworthy about me.
Okay. What do you think? What is that one truth that modern mothers are maybe hiding, lying to the society?
I feel that is called uncomfortable truth, which you know most of us, that we carry this chronic exhaustion, chronic fatigue as a badge of honor. So I have a friend, she will always tell me that I'm always tired. She will always complain about this is not good, this is not good. So we carry that badge of honor, right? So I feel that is something that and I'm not judging anyone. This is just some empathy I can say. So that's the uncomfortable truth that we have to live with it. But that's the thing.
Do you see mothers like अपने आप को ज़्यादा neglect करना, अपने mental health या physical health, और दूसरों को ज़्यादा prioritize करना? Because बहुत सारे like ages के आपके पास women आती हैं. That's why I'm asking this question. That what are your observations?
I see it every day. Talking about my own mother. So we have 3 kids, and I've seen her over the years that she will prioritize every single person. So now and everyone. So I call her for skin treatment or any other thing. She will tell, no, I have this thing to do. I have to look after my brother's kids. I have to look after she has to look after my grandmother. So she will, and even if she will wait for the symptoms to be unbearable and then do something about it. So they have neglected a lot about their own health. So
Aditi, are we raising emotionally aware boys or just empowered girls?
I think both. We are definitely raising as a generation. In the last 10 years, we are raising empowered girls for sure. But we are also raising emotionally available boys because right now we are talking more about emotions. A lot of this has also changed because the way young people are seeing fashion and skincare.
Yeah.
So in my office, I have colleagues who will talk about skincare, and they will share skincare, and
Yeah.
they will share their hair care routine. And actually, the whole topic of how are we raising empowered girls or how are we raising boys,
Yeah.
I think when we are raising boys, we have to also regard the softer side of, masculinity का part नहीं था पहले hair care, skin care part नहीं था, कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, macho man. So definitely I think how to be a man or how to be a boy, इसका syllabus change हुआ है, and I think you see more and more. Recently I went to so I was a part of Global Shaper. I am an alumni
Yeah.
now, and Global Shaper is a group of young people, 20 to 30, and right now the curator and the vice curator both are women, and they said that actually हम में ऐसी कोई power play का कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता. 10 years back we couldn't say that.
Yeah, true that. Yeah.
So the young women themselves are saying that I don't have a problem in terms of the power play. The males are okay to be led by women.
Yeah.
So these are some new things that are happening.
Don't you think having it all is a trap? Oh, she hasn't. Like, she has everything covered. हाँ तो कर ही लेशे, ये तो कर लेगी. That kind of approach. Don't you think it's a trap?
I think nobody is having it all actually. So Indra Nooyi has this autobiography, great autobiography. So you will be burdened. You as a career woman, आपने इंदिरा नूई का इंटरव्यू देखा होगा कहीं पर, जैसे क्या ये बंदे ने फिगर आउट करियर बदल. That woman stopped feeding her child after her child was 3 months old. How much pressure we all put on ourselves कि हमने कितना breast feed किया है. भाई हमारा पैरामीटर था, अरे मैंने तो 1.5 साल तक breast feed किया है मैंने. But it was very liberating for me to know कि उन्होंने सिर्फ 3 महीने ब्रेस्ट फीड किया है अपने सेकेंड चाइल्ड को, और फर्स्ट चाइल्ड के लिए बहुत दिक्कत होती थी उनको. सो आई रियली थिंक कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम पढ़ते कम है एज अ वुमेन. मुझे लगता है कि वुमेन लीडर्स के एग्जाम्पल्स कम है. सो एवरी टाइम वी कंपेयर सम वुमेन्स ग्रेटनेस ना, विल से यार तू झांसी की रानी है. झांसी की रानी डाइड एट 23 और 25. प्लीज उसका एग्जाम्पल देना बंद कर दो अभी, ठीक है, क्योंकि वी आर लिविंग अ लॉन्ग लाइफ. सो गिव द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लेट्स से इंदिरा नूई. सो उनके एग्जाम्पल में लेकिन ब्रिंग ऑल दिस स्टोरी कि भले तुम यू आर बर्डनिंग योरसेल्फ विद ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग एंड इट्स अ होल थिंग अबाउट दिस थिंग कि अच्छा इंदिरा नूई ने तो भैया दुनिया में तबाही मचा दी पर 3 महीने ही फ्री थी. सो व्हाई एम आई नॉट हैविंग दीज काइंड ऑफ स्टोरीज, which I think is there has to be more of these kind of
I also think that other women voices around you will say कि न मत कर तू, like मैं तेरी दोस्त हूँ तो मत कर. It's okay, मैंने भी नहीं किया. Yeah,
that is true.
So it's okay for you to like, or my mother said कि मत कर, 6 महीने से ज्यादा मत कर, तू दूसरा बच्चा like, और तू होए तो ही करना, सोच के करना, like also having the right women voices in your life, I think that also makes a difference.
This I understood, like I understood the power of women friendship. They help you live a more healthier life. And so every time, like when you're growing up as a girl, you always think pitting against the other girl or something, and the whole ecosystem is like that. Film का narrative वैसा होगा, novels में वैसे होंगे, business women को दिखा रहे हैं 2 women character को, ये सब, because they are, of course, the films are written by men. But if you see the films, those are written by women, like Door, or I don't know, I mean, which were the one, I find Door to be a very good female friendship, but female friendship, oh my god, I mean, I wish I discovered my female friendship and that kick-ass,
that kind of friendships, those are our priority friends. I mean, we are not selecting friends where we are not comfortable or we are criticized or not well spoken about our work. Sometimes you feel like comments like, "Ata always busy choice." She never comes turn up for a cup of coffee because she is too busy with office or work. So we don't feel ourselves comfortable there.
We get
and
that
we
a
have
lot.
chosen our company with friendships also that who are encouraging, who appreciate where we are with our struggles and how we are balancing our roles. I think
and also like building that community, right? Like saying, hey, can you pick up my kid from school?
that's what I think motherhood में friendship is based on little kindness every single day. Other mother is reminding me, भाई bag में आज ये pack करना है, and even if it is 9:30 where I am dead and she is also probably dead, but she is saying कि भाई आज ये वाला होमवर्क खत्म करना है, प्रोजेक्ट का ये दिन है. And I'm so grateful to her because she has saved me one cry, one anxiety or panic something.
Just Amrita must be knowing about this कि हमारे स्कूल में ग्रुप में भी ये है कि ऑफकोर्स हम लोग सबके साथ फ्रेंड्स नहीं बन सकते, बट कुछ भी अगर सर्कुलर स्कूल से आया तो इमीडिएटली जिसने भी देखा है वो मदर्स ग्रुप में पहले पोस्ट कर देंगे, भैया देख लेना कल बच्चों को ये पहन के जाना है, ये करके जाना है. सो वो एक अनसेड बॉन्ड सपोर्ट सिस्टम वो बन जाता है मदर्स के बीच में. And even I cannot survive without my girlfriend. Like, you know, कभी भी even जब यहाँ पे मैं आ रही थी लोकेशन देखने and everything, yesterday I was feeling so stressed and anxious about so many things. I just called my girlfriend that let's catch up for a coffee, like maybe for 30 minutes, and from here I went to a cafe. So I mean, we are surviving on our girlfriends, like that bond, that support system.
And I think वो पुराने ज़माने की jealousy between वो I think that is passing.
That is where they're gone.
Like I had to come to this conversation here and I called two of them, मैं क्या पहन के जाऊँ? And like I had 3 friends saying wear this or wear that or oh you have that other shirt or that skirt, why don't you wear that? So also having that tribe which is secure. I think all of them are also very secure and
So we keep forgetting everybody's schedule, so reminding, we survive on those messages, you know.
Dude, these are my angels, man. Yeah.
If you weren't a mother, what would your company look like?
I think I wouldn't like the business wouldn't have existed if it wasn't for me not being a parent. I think I identified the gap and the white space after I became a parent and realized how much parents are spending. So the disposable income, what are actually their needs, how are they making decisions, how are they making purchase decisions. All of that happened because I'm a mother and I'm talking to so many other parents and other mothers around me. So I think for me the business exists because I became a parent.
Lovely.
I feel if I was not a mother, I would have scaled faster and have taken bigger risks. But to be honest, I'm more kind now. So I don't chase growth anymore. I'm chasing impact and results because I'm more kind towards patients, towards my team. I'm chasing stability. So that's the difference after being a mother.
Like एक लाइन में बोले तो हमको ऐसा, it is usually believed that motherhood is a pause, but it is a pause, but it is an opportunity. Please harness, ladies. Please harness the opportunity that you have gotten, this opportunity of being a mother. बहुत सारी चीजें बिल्ड कर सकते हो इस इकोसिस्टम में. एंड अभी तो मम्मियों के पास बहुत पैसा है भाई, प्लीज बिल्ड करो. यू वुड बी अ फूल इफ यू आर अ मदर एंड नॉट बिल्डिंग समथिंग. I mean if you don't want to build completely fine, but if you are building, there are high chances that you are going to be very successful.
So I think when we are pausing on that motherhood phase, we are deeply reflecting our personality and getting more clarity with our life, what we are looking for. That's what is very important.
I think that was my journey as well. Like I think I agree with you that like for me that actually it was COVID and it was my son was 2 or 3. It was also that existential moment for me कि क्या करना है life के साथ क्या करना है. So I think that for me I echo what you said.
And for me, like I left my media job and became an entrepreneur because of my son. Family is very supportive. उन्होंने कभी भी नहीं बोला, but it was me जिसको ये लगता था कि हमेशा उसको सोता हुआ देखना, उसके साथ वो moments spending करना. Plus coming from a media industry, I had to deal with any kind of news or stories. So उसका जो नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट घर पे आती थी, फिर भी वो बच्चे पे वो ट्रांसफर होती थी एनर्जी. आई रियली डोंट वांट कि मैं एक डेड बॉडी देख के आ रही हूँ और फिर मैं आई एम सिटिंग विद माय सन. एंड आई थिंक मेरी भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी उसी के कारण शुरू हुई है. अदरवाइज मैं अभी भी वहीं पे बनी होती, कहीं पे एडिटर एंड कुछ चला रही होती चैनल, आई डोंट नो. वंडरफुल. सो या अमृता, Zookeeper was born from motherhood. At what point did it stop being a personal solution and became a scalable business decision?
So it was always meant to scale. I didn't want to make products for my son alone. I was already buying products when I would travel abroad, only to realize that a lot of them are made in India. So while during COVID, when I shut down my previous venture, we were a design consulting firm. I always wanted to make something with product and like something hands-on product. And I was trying to figure out where the gap in the market is, where there is a white space. And this was sort of the white space that I identified at that point. Also because we were living in Bangalore at that time, I was interacting with a lot of parents, mothers of this age. age group, and so I always built it to scale. It was never a product that I built for my son and then thought I'd scale. I always thought, so even when very decisions very early on in terms of the kind of vendors we work with, the kind of manufacturing partners we work with, or the kind of products we make were always made to be able to scale to whatever degree we wanted to. So
Wonderful.
yeah.
You talk to many parents like on a daily basis.
Yes.
What do you think आज के जो parents है कौन सी वो चीजें हैं जो over complicate कर देते हैं but they are not necessary, but maybe वो parent की side से वो बहुत over complicate हो जाती है.
I think parents are making very aware decisions. Actually, I don't think they're overcomplicating things.
Okay.
It's like the kind of schools you choose. I think groups like this, when you sit with mothers, they talk about schools and which school is good and which board is good and which curriculum is good. There's a lot of more conversation happening now than what it did back in our generation when we were kids with our mothers. So I actually like little bit disagree that we're not overcomplicated. These conversations are good to have. They're meant to have. They're had by very intelligent, very smart women. Who know what they want, who are very educated. So mothers are also now educated. They have an opinion. They have a say in their families. So I feel like these conversations are important to have. So the kind of products your kids are using, to the kind of products that come into your home, or the kind of services our kids are sort of using, what kaun sa teacher acha hai, kaun sa class acha hai. It's important to have that conversation. It's good to have these conversations. I think like we're not real. I think the conversations are important. Okay, they're good to have.
What support structure enabled you to build this D2C brand while raising a 9-year-old kid?
I think support came from, first one was the partner. And I remember when I closed the previous venture down and it was COVID and I was sitting at home for 3 months and he was like, you've been sitting on this couch for 3 months. What are you doing with your life? And I'm like, it's been 3 months. Nobody's working. Why are you after me? So I think that was the first. I think I have to give that to him. But also then my own family, like my own parents, and because my mother's always been a working mother. So I think I've always seen that. So I think a lot of the self-worth also came from that if I don't go to work, my mother's going to judge me more than anything else. With all this education, with all this like exposure you've got, you're sitting at home. So that was one. Also my in-laws, I think even with my in-laws, they were like, what are you doing? Kya kariye? Kya kaam kariye? What? So I think that pressure, quote unquote, was the opposite in my family from both sides. That you've got all this education, you are smart, you've got to do something with it. You can't be going to lunches and like you know, so you've got to do something with your life. So I think that support. So even today, like with my son or even with my business, my father-in-law, like my in-laws and my father, every week we talk about work, how's it going, where's the growth, what are your challenges. They have their own businesses, family businesses that I have access to. A lot of access happens because of them. So I think the support has been from everywhere.
And without a family, without that support system, I don't think आज जहाँ पे हम लोग बैठे हैं या बात कर रहे हैं वो कर पाते. Very true. Okay, so here we go with rapid fire. One thing you stopped explaining.
Why no to certain things? No, I'm not available.
Oh yeah.
And I stopped explaining that to people.
Same. Leslie saying no. Saying no is my superpower now. भाई ये formula हो गया मेरा.
And no explanation.
Yeah. वो अमिताभ बच्चन का डायलॉग.
No is a full sentence. No is a full sentence.
A lie society tells mothers.
You're not doing enough for your child when you're working. I think they judge that.
You're missing out on something.
You're missing out on something.
Society says that however how much you are suffering is the parameter of your greatness.
Oh yes. The more you
औरत कितना सहती है उतना वो महान होती है.
One sentence your child would use to describe you.
Sorry, it's a very long one, but I don't think that he describes me differently than what he does his dad. I don't know if that is like, I mean, explains it, but I don't think that like in his head I think we're equal. So
Okay. And this too I remember.
We are not.
भाई मेरा बच्चा तो बहुत छोटा है मैं तो okay. क्या okay बड़े वाला. What will he describe me as? I think creative. I think.
I don't remember any specific name, but a good friend I can say, because I listen to her all the time. I'm a more milder parent.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Mine
भाई
would
मेरे
say-
दिमाग में पहला आंसर तो आया था एंग्री का पर मैं कैमरा के ऊपर ये रिकॉर्ड हो चुका है अच्छा ऐसा है क्या
Common होता है ना, वो हम नहीं बोलते.
अच्छा सबका एंग्री वाला
So mine would say like, you know, crazy, cool, fun loving, because उसके सामने I'm like a kid, frankly. Because I really want him to remember me once I'm gone. That, you know, my mom used to dance like whenever she felt like, and I
Yeah.
like that with him. जब भी इच्छा करी डांस कर लिया, गाना गा लिया, कुछ उसके साथ कैफे में चले गए. So yeah, guilt hits more at work or at home. Home
At
for
home.
sure.
भाई वर्क इज तो क्या बोलते हैं वर्क इज हमारा थेरेपी है भाई वर्कॉलिक में हाँ मैं किसी दिन ऑफिस जाती हूँ सिर्फ इसलिए ताकि अच्छे से सो व्हेन माय चाइल्ड वाज वेरी यंग ऐसे आई स्टार्टेड ब्रिंगिंग अंकना द सेकंड वन to the office when she was 3 months and the elder one when he was 5 months. But I remember I used to go to office when they were very young. I used to go to office just because I can get out of that nursing cloth. अच्छे से बाल खोल सकूं मैं जब वो बाल टानने वाला फेज आता है बाल खोल सकूं जा सकूं and then just put my feet down. So work is definitely a therapy for me, but I don't think so. Yeah, guilt.
PTA meeting in gym clothes or power blazer, like
Blazer.
Yeah, always. Yeah, always power dressing man.
Yeah.
One way you have to wear blazer.
I am like the gym clothes person, but because I don't give
She's
a
always
shit.
like, you know, but I like.
I don't give a shit. I'm like, I show up in gym clothes wherever or whatever. Like I'm.
So I am this one. I am this blazer person. So so my husband is not. So for some event he was going to meet our investor. So we got him like a proper this thing, and he asked Adi that how am I looking, and he says mama-ish. That was a moment for me.
Google Calendar or pure chaos?
Google Calendar for sure.
Both, yeah.
Do you check emails during playtime or play dates or birthday parties?
Yes.
Not an email person, yeah.
Yeah, I am not a party person, and I don't check emails that often.
But what about like, यार ये तो बहुत नहीं हो गया बच्चों को ये बर्थडे इनवाइट्स अगर उनको नहीं भेजते हैं हमें ये लगेगा कि यार
That is true. I think I am okay with my child missing out on parties and going to the park. So I don't compromise on their park time where they go and do free play, then going to parties. Like, yeah.
Have you ever muted a client because your child was shouting?
Oh yeah.
Many times.
I have to tell you this. So I was just changing the diaper of the younger one, and then somebody from Kolkata called कि ये book यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँची और मैं जो मतलब कुछ तो पहले तो 5 मिनट तक मैं ठीक थी मेरे को करना भी नहीं था ये कॉल I don't know why I picked up. See, entrepreneur, you know you're so obsessed with your sales. So I और जो चिल्लाना चालू किया मैंने उसके बाद दूसरे दिन मतलब उसी दिन all my numbers from the website was removed. No number of mine should be given anywhere. No client call should come to me. And it is a nice filter. We have so many other people to take that call. But yeah, I learned the hard way.
The calls I take it. So it's better. I mean, I'm in my comfort zone also balancing multiple things.
So you know, you are as an entrepreneur saying कि हाँ I can do this. मतलब मैं diaper change करते करते मैं call ले सकती हूँ. नहीं, it is good for your business only कि कोई और call ले.
I have no forms on any call now to say wait. I'll just have to listen to my son. So give me 2 minutes. So that I am very okay to say. Or can you give me 5 minutes? I just have to pick up. My son is calling. I'm gonna put this call on mute to pick up my son's call. So I have zero apology to do that. I'll just excuse myself very this thing and I can do that. I have the confidence now.
Yeah.
To say,
I've
do
done
that
many
also.
consultations with my daughter in my lap. So while consulting, she will keep yelling "mama, mama, mama," but I still consult. So you know they feel good that I'm focusing on.
So I think when you're well slept, you can still make a call. I mean, it totally depends on कि तुमको रात में नींद कितनी मिली है. हाँ, तो ऐसा हुआ है कि ठीक है वो sales call whatever ये, but I have taken meetings while I was also little bit breastfeeding कि भाई थोड़ा normalize कर लो अगर थोड़ा सा I can do this with the group of writers who are all women. All of those things have happened, but you learn I think in the journey to say कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी मेरे को आदि के लिए ये करना है after the child.
Yeah, and zero apology with the
हाँ,
internal team.
sometimes when they keep
my son
going,
is calling, I'm
yeah,
gonna walk out. No matter
Yeah.
what we're talking
Yeah.
about,
Yeah.
if he's called up, I will like
Yeah.
step out for a second, pick up, talk
हाँ.
to him for 2
हमारे
minutes.
साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि हम ऐसे बच्चों को ऑफिस में लेके गए हैं and then there is a meeting and he has done a loud pop potty because the kids could be newborns could be really loud and then Tuhin has to say excuse me I have to step out I have to go clean because I'm breastfeeding then he is cleaning.
I think we should start bringing that change.
Yeah.
That this is normal.
This is normal. Yeah.
Yeah. More tired mentally or physically?
Mentally.
Yeah.
At 42, both.
Both.
But I have my things but I'm aware that what are the things that make me tired and I'm tired and accept it. Yeah.
Business stress or mom guilt? What is heavier?
Mom guilt.
Do you think you are a stricter boss or stricter mom?
Stricter mom.
Stricter boss.
Stricter boss, I think.
Okay. Productivity increased after motherhood, yes or no?
Yes. A definitive yes. Definitive yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Wonderful. Sleep or scrolling?
Sleep.
Sleep. Anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah. Okay. 5 more minutes. You say it more to clients or kids? 5 more minutes. To clients or kids?
Kids for me.
Kids. Yeah. Clients.
Yeah.
Okay. Balance. Myth or possible?
Myth. It's a myth. Harmony होनी चाहिए harmony. Replace कर दो इस word को.
Have you cried in your car because of overload?
Yes.
Yeah, all the time.
Yes.
Yeah. Even crying is my go-to response. खुशी भी होते तो भी cry कर रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं
And
तो
the good thing is that the reason would be hormonal always.
Yeah.
Whenever we cry, everybody will say, "Are you around your menses?
Check your hormones.
Check your hormones. Are you around your periods?"
yeah.
Good for us. We don't have to explain.
Yeah.
They take it hormonal.
So for me, it's like a therapy. मैं घर पे भी पहुंचती हूँ, कुछ भी हो, अगर ड्राइवर है या नहीं है, I will sit in my car, like पार्क करूँगी, उसके बाद 2-5 मिनट, I will sit in my car. मैं थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करूँगी या कुछ अच्छा गाना सुनूंगी या सिर्फ ऐसे ही बैठूंगी, and then only I'll like मेरे घर पे जाऊँगी.
Guys, I have learned the power of writing. Journaling is so good. And there are some strategies also. Like there are days when you have to remind what is going right. So on days when you're feeling negative, just write down what is going right for you. And there are days when in my journal I have written ki okay, these things I've done wrong, but I am also a great parent. I am also a great boss. I have definitely done this after shouting at someone. Ki I have to remind myself that I'm also a great boss. I'm also a great partner. Just being I think writing has helped me to become my best cheerleader. At least मैंने मेरे एक्शन तो कुछ और प्रूव करे थे पर मैंने रिटन में तो लिखा है कि भाई मैं अच्छी मदर हूँ.
हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि this we have done, but वो चला जाता है. So when we start writing and journaling, very true. And if your child Googles you one day, what do you want them to find?
That I tried. That I was one of those people who tried and who put up a good fight because that is what life is all about. I mean, fail or succeed is immaterial, but just tried.
Best dermatologist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which
That is what I want.
Yeah. In the world, sister. In the world, you will be. You will be in the world, in the universe. कल को मार्स पे सेटल हुए उधर भी.
Best mom.
Yeah.
I guess, but
Yeah.
for every kid,
Yeah, of course.
I think mom is the best mom.
So mine is 18. So
18,
now
you
he
need that.
He doesn't express that much. So I need to know that.
Listen, if I was your child, I'll definitely. My mom is the most beautiful mom ever. Ever. Yeah. I would take a lot of pride.
So they change in their teens. I think they become less expressive because they are more in their own zone.
And maybe
So
son,
there you
I
miss
guess.
that
Son,
phase.
daughter, they do express, but that's a son thing.
Yeah,
So
that's a son
they
thing.
don't
I don't know, is it something about age? My son is 9, okay? पहले बस पे छोड़ने जाती थी तो I used to hug him, kiss him. And now
They can
there are standing instructions.
They
Mom,
don't.
go. Don't hug in front of everyone. Like, just say bye. So I don't understand what is it thinking and what is happening.
But it will happen that when they are looking for a partner, your beauty and the way you work and the way you dealt with people and the way you took care of your work, took care of your health, all of those things will be a benchmark for them.
Yes, absolutely.
It is going to come back to you.
Absolutely. I agree with you.
Yeah.
I think I want the Economic Times headlines. I think that is my dream though. So, but I also want to hear it from him that I was there and I was present and I was a good mother and I didn't give up being a good mom for this. So I'm not able to articulate what I want him to, but this is what I want, and then but I also want this prize from him to say that my mom was still there. She was there, and like
So I think it will happen. It will happen, but he will not say it to you. He'll say it to his friends or somebody.
so
but it definitely happens.
partner.
Or maybe the way they are raising their child. It will happen. It will reflect.
तब बहुत realization
बहुत reflect होगा.
Actually, that's the time.
Because
where
that is
they
how we
know
parent.
they
We
put mothers in their mind.
Yeah, true. One myth about mompreneurs you want to break.
that you'll miss out on your children.
That is true.
Miss out on
Yeah,
your
I agree.
child's, milestones or life.
Yeah,
or
I agree.
Moments.
Yeah, I agree. I think working women's kids are more independent. They are more self-reliant. They are more, and it is always seen that the more self-reliant you are, how far you go in life is dependent on how much you can do your own work and chores.
Yeah, I think the same thing.
And I guess that child is growth because people feel that homemakers, their kids are more healthier.
Very true. I agree.
More, I got many such questions by even patients that ma'am, you are always working. How do the kids eat well?
अच्छा अच्छे से खा नहीं
How do they survive? So they have this myth that you're working, your kids are not growing well. So that myth should be
True. My son is healthy, okay, but
in weight and everything.
yeah, okay, he's not chubby, yeah,
Chubby,
but he's
yeah.
healthy. So कोई भी अगर relative guest को घर पे आएंगे एक दिन
You're not
तारू तो
feeding.
ध्यान नहीं हो इन्हें हाँ बच्चे को manage and I would like but now I have started giving it back of course but yeah so there are moments जब ये कुछ चीजें आती हैं ना तब होता है यार why are they judging on the
And I
basis
think
of
somewhere it penetrates in the child mind also, which you are not comfortable with.
So that should not
मम्मी
happen in
बराबर
front of
नहीं
child.
खवड़ाती so what would they say मम्मी बराबर नहीं खवड़ाती
So that makes
I think there is also a myth that I think
That's done by family members also. Many times.
no, primarily family. Okay, I think there is also this myth that other women have figured out what you have not figured out. Please understand that if any feeling that you are feeling, you are not alone in that. If you are feeling lonely, you are feeling lost, you are feeling that you are not enough, I think everybody goes through the same feeling. At least validate. So एक myth तो ये है कि अगर mom parent है, they are having it easier than me, and they have figured out life, or they have figured out things, parenting, friendship more than me. I think it is not true. Everybody is struggling in their own way. How you respond to them is, how you respond to them and then grow it.
And even work-wise, so when it comes to a mompreneur, they feel we can't work at home, we can't cook or anything. But again, that's a myth. When we have to cook, we will cook. So
Yeah.
we feed our family.
now we can
हो हाँ, इनको खाना बनाना नहीं आता.
और स्विगी तो हमको आता ही है.
यार ये मिथ मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये फैल जाए कि लड़कियों को खाना बनाना नहीं आता ताकि दूसरा कोई चिप इन करके भाई वो बना के जाए.
Always a comparison. I have friends who are homemakers. They are constantly, doing something, making food for kids. I never make food. Whenever I'm traveling, I feed them anything that is available. I will not carry all the packets. She cooks every time. So then my husband felt that she knows everything. मैंने बोला मैं भी कर दूंगी. It's okay. I know how to do, but I don't want to do. So
That's a choice.
That's my choice. So you can't judge if you're working.
Yeah, and I was almost wrapping up this thing, but from your answer, like मुझे कुछ याद आया because ये mom friends की बात हुई, lunches and cafe dates. I mean, as a mother, somehow I'm not able to do it. I don't know about you.
I don't do it,
your
man.
Opinions upon it.
Wow.
Same with me.
Proud of you guys.
I think we have selected our priorities.
And I
we
guess
can't
we
take
are-
everything.
we are constantly
Once in a
being
blue moon,
judged
it's
for
fine,
that.
but
By
not every day.
those moms who are doing that. We are constantly being judged by those moms who are doing that.
But it's very nice. Only those who have stayed who are not judging me for if I'm spending time. I need to spend quality time with my friends.
Yeah.
And that time is precious to us. लंच पे नहीं जाऊंगी यार मैं 20 लोगों के साथ प्लीज यार.
And मुझे ये भी नहीं, I mean, I might be wrong, or maybe other mothers would judge me for that. But somehow, since my kid is in this class and I make friends with this moms, after a certain age, I feel I'm not able to do that.
पर इतना बड़ा फ्रेंड सर्कल चाहिए नहीं होता है वैसे फ्रेंड्स. बट वो रील्स आते हैं ना कि फ्रेंड सर्कल अब डॉट बन गया है बहुत रिलेटेबल.
think it's a better judgment.
Of course.
Yeah.
I mean, if Shaili has been spoken for her work that she's the best dermat in the town, I think that's the best compliment. Why?
But then
Then she's
sometimes,
been
you know,
judged like
that
that by not going for
FOMO
lunch.
hits. Yeah, that FOMO hits. For example, मेरे बच्चे की क्लास की जो moms है, they went for this coffee date, and somehow really I was not able to, like I tried but I was not able to manage it. तो वो जो FOMO hit किया, why not because मुझे उन लोगों से मिलना था, कॉफी पीनी थी, बट अगर मैं नहीं गई उसके कारण मेरा बच्चा तो कुछ मिस आउट नहीं कर रहा है इन फ्यूचर. So that thing hit me hard, and मैं जो भी मॉम मिलती है ना उन सबसे बात करती हूँ that how do you deal with this thing.
I think then in that case you have to trust. I think you have to trust your own parenting and your own child. I think your child's growth is going to be affected by his circle, but it is not going to be so affected. It is not going to go all haywire. It is going to be decided by the kind of parenting that you are doing and the kind of time, the amount of time you are spending with your child. I think ये non-negotiable होना चाहिए कि मेरा बच्चे के साथ मैंने कितना time spend किया, especially in the early days. ऐसे 7 साल तक तो बहुत ज़्यादा.
And I think going back to what I said earlier, also, like there are enough mums like us, like this table here.
Right.
I think so. Surrounding yourself.
कि जब तक podcast नहीं करोगे तो नहीं आएंगे.
जब तक 10 बजे की हो सकती है.
हो सकती है.
Yeah. So I think also, I think surrounding yourself with the right voices. I think nice. So like a table like this.
Yeah,
like
मेरे
we're all
साथ
here and
मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है कि I start my day at 5 and by 9:30 because I lift so much weight, so weight training वाले बहुत ज़्यादा वजन उठा लेती हूँ मैं, तो रात के 9 बजे तक तो, but my friends have understood कि ये नहीं आने वाली, but when we meet it is a riot. हम इतना मस्ती करते हैं, सामने वाले को लगता है शायद से लेस्बियंस हैं. हम बहुत ही अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं और उसको ढाबा बना देते हैं. हम ऐसे हमको बहुत अच्छे कैफेज में गए हैं और आके बंदे ने बोला बहन जी प्लीज चले जाइए, बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती कर लिया आप लोगों ने, ये ढाबा नहीं है. And Ahmedabad has really good like really classy restaurants. I feel proud of these friends and I'm so grateful that I have these friends who understand, who are also very driven, ambitious women.
Yeah. Also this thing of mother-kids trip. है ना, travel करते हैं mother kids. Many companies have come up like, you know. So what are your thoughts about those trips? Or you prefer like girls trip or solo trips over them?
So in our family, we've decided for leisure, between my husband and I, that we don't do leisure trips without our son.
Yeah.
So that's just a decision because both of us travel extensively for work. So if it's a holiday, it's the three of us together or we don't do it. And that's just a decision that we've made as a family. So I don't do girls trips or I don't go on as many like mom and kid trips because that time and money both is precious. But I feel like I would like the three of us to be together. If it's a holiday, then the three of us go together. Otherwise, then we both go on our individual work trips.
Yeah, it's the same for me. It's like that. I don't want to miss out on any of the milestones of my child while also aiming for making a very large company. So I know that this is if it is vacation, it has to be with
I take both. I need my solo trips because I re-energize in in that time. And when I come back, I'm again fresh and bounce back on my different routes. And I've done a lot of trips where me and my son went solo, not in any groups. So I think that are the best memories.
Oh, okay. Oh, with your child, just you and your child. Oh, I have to do it. मेरे थोड़ा बड़ा होने दो भाई.
Now he's 18, so now we're not having because his academic pressure is a little high this year. But when he was young.
Like when did you started?
So when he was around 6 and it was very easy to manage him at that age. So once a year we used to do that, me and Nash. So it was and today when I look back, that was the best memories.
Oh यार मेरे को करना ही है, इस साल कर रही हूँ मैं. दोनों बच्चों के साथ कैसे करूँ पता नहीं, क्योंकि अभी तो 8 और 3 के बीच में बहुत राइवलरी भी है, बहुत प्यार हो जाता है. जब उनको सुलाने हो तो क्या कोऑपरेशन आता है, सोने के टाइम में बहुत कोऑपरेशन, उसके पहले तो बहुत राइवलरी है. बट आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट.
I think that time you can't get it back.
Yeah.
Forward to such mother-kid trip. Even I recently went on a couple trip, just me and my husband after 5.5 years. So this was our first couple trip, and I guess that is also needed because
very much.
we felt so different.
Yeah.
It was a completely different experience
Yeah.
after having 2 kids with
Yeah.
all the chaos,
Yeah.
and we were back with a different person.
Oh, wow.
So I guess that is also important.
Dude, I have to tell you about this concept called habits of happiness, and these are really good. Like, these are very small habits. So what I and my husband are always working in the capacity of a father, you know, maybe a co-founder, और एक दूसरे को challenge कर रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा thought process whatever. So from this year, and I think from last year, from the last 3 months, we have been able to take these walks. So every day after office, we have to take this 30 minutes walk where we are discussing about so the kids are at the park being taken care of, playing whatever. We are just 2 of us ourselves, and this is holy for us. And similarly, I have a habit of happiness with my child. Wherever we are, whatever we do, we are going to read to the child, to put their child to sleep by reading to them. कि भाई दिन भर कुछ भी हुआ है, मैंने I have not seen them, which doesn't happen so often, but still some days you travel and things can go very busy, but हम बच्चों को पढ़ के सुलाएंगे. And this is the habit that I'm seeing in my elder child. ऐसा there are days when I am very sleepy and my elder one will read to her younger और उनके स्कूल में ऐसा होता है कि आपको गुड डीड लिखना होता है, रेड टू अंकना ऐसे लिखता है वो, ये गुड डीड किया है मैंने एक, तो ऐसा होता है.
So, thank you for being here and being honest and trusting this space. Thank you so much, and Nikita ji, thank you so much for allowing us to shoot this beautiful podcast here at your Stanley store. Thank you so much.
My pleasure to have you all.
Thank you for having us because
Yeah,
we
man.
had a great conversation.
I hope,
Yeah.
Thank you, Khushbu. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you for this
Yeah.
conversation. It was amazing.